It was amazing. Thank you so much, and I really enjoyed it.
Class was amazing, informative, inspirational, motivating, and probably one of the best classes I've ever taken.
It was great. I went to both days, so I went to hands-on and look and learn.
Class was great today. It was a lot of eye-opening experiences. The light bulb went off in my head many, many times. I saw a lot of very small things that are going to make huge changes in the way I cut hair and the way I approach haircuts.
I love all of them, but the undercut is not what I thought. There was something not quite right that I was trying to figure out on my own. I now know why I wasn't able to achieve the looks that I've been seeing in his work on my own.
Just the modular technique, how simple it really is when he breaks it down.
The undercut on the shag, I can't tell you how much it's gonna change my life at my salon.
I really like the modular approach to learning things. It really broke it down. I'm a little new to cutting, but I could still grasp it, and that's great for me.
All the techniques I think that he does really serve a purpose, but I think one that jumps out at me is that he cuts from the long hair into the short hair. And I used to get very frustrated. I had to go back in and spend more time removing cut marks. And just by changing the hair, there are no cut marks, so I don't have to spend the extra time to remove them later on.
Absolutely. I've been doing hair for 35 years. I've been an educator for 25. A great man that I worked for once said to me, if you think the cost of education is a lot, wait till you experience the cost of not being educated, not growing, not learning, and getting bypassed by your colleagues and losing clients because you're not up to date on trend.
I would absolutely recommend this class to anyone. I would definitely recommend doing the look and learn first and the hands-on second day. I totally think you should do them together. I think it's very valuable.
I would recommend it to anyone that wants to up their game.
Yes, beginners, anyone who's been in the business for a long time. I know we have a few people here who have been doing hair for 20 years. They still said this is the best class they've been to.
I would recommend this class to everyone. I've been cutting hair since 1988, and I feel like I learned more today in these last 10 hours than I have in any other class I've ever taken. What On has to offer is everything's usable in the salon. The sophisticated and trendy clients, both 20 years old or 45 to 50 years old, I think everything he does would suit all those people.